right next to where we're shooting. Check it out. Doing a very sensitive moment of the film, you know, where Larry Benjamin and his daughter bond. And right over here, we have a very unsensitive locomotive laying tracks. So this sequence is going to be very hard to edit for sound. What we should do is lay down wild track. The sound recorderist, Evan, is going to get this sound. Then we're going to try to equalize it in post-production. But for anybody who's making a film out there, make sure you do not do your sensitive moments right next to a train that is laying track. Also, do not shoot your movie next to an airport. Unfortunately, our location managers did not do enough research in their locations.
Amen to that.